If you're looking for an air purifier that's easy to use and understand, you might want to consider the Airthings Renew. Airthings sent us one and we've spent a year testing it. It's simple to set up. Just flip it up on its top and pull the cover plate off the compartment where the power cord goes. We like how it neatly organizes the cable. The Renew is light too, which is great for moving around. Just grab the strap. On the top are touch controls for turning it on, setting its fan speed, or for putting it on auto. There are also settings for boosting or silent mode. You can also do all these things with the app over the Wi-Fi connection. The Renew only has a PM2.5 sensor. It's focused on removing dust and smoke. The reading is a measure of particulate matter in the air, tiny droplets that you can't see but may impact your health. The app provides a quick snapshot of how your air is in the current PM2.5 reading, and it keeps track of the PM2.5 readings and graphs it from 3 hours to 1 year. You can easily see high concentrations over time and slide through the timeline. Settings let you see if the Wi-Fi is connected and how you want your notifications. You can even dim the LEDs, though we didn't see a need for that. There is also a focus setting that we will explain later. You can see the filter life, though it's just a time-based algorithm. Having used it for a year, you can see we finally ran it down to 0%. So we picked up the replacement HEPA and active charcoal filter. It's very easy to replace. Using their simple cloth tabs, take off the front cover. Remove the initial screen by putting your finger in the slot at the top and pulling. Then pull out the HEPA filter and discard. The HEPA filter focuses on the fine particles. And finally, the charcoal filter, which you will also discard. The charcoal filter traps VOCs, gases, and odors. Take out the replacement and put in the new charcoal filter and then the HEPA filter. The filters fit snugly, so be sure to press firmly around the perimeter. And make sure that you keep those cloth tabs pointing outwards. To replace the screen, just put it on the bottom ledge and press the left and right top side to snap it into place. And finally, put the outside cover back on. You'll need to press and hold the silence button on the top for 5 seconds to reset the filter life to 100%. We ended up bringing the Renew to my mom's house with the new filter and set it up in her bedroom. First, we had to remove it from our Airthings app and then install it on hers. After you set up an account, it will scan Bluetooth to find the Renew. It then has you press the standby button for 5 seconds to put it into Wi-Fi pairing mode. It will find available Wi-Fi networks, select yours, and enter the usual info. Once it is set up, it starts taking samples right away. So be patient, as it takes a while before it is ready. One thing we like is the set focus function. It has 5 settings, one of which is not supported. We selected allergy at my mom's request. Once it has collected enough samples, the main screen will let you know if the focus is good and the PM2.5 reading. In the first few hours, you'll notice that the PM2.5 spiked as it cleaned up the room. Then it settled in to keep the air good, as you can see on the 24-hour timeline. We like the Airthings Renew. For my mom, it is simple to operate. Just put it into auto, and it's quiet while she sleeps. Thank you for watching.